Hey guys, Mr. Case here. So if you received one of these papers in your packet, is an alternative reading assignment that I put in there for some of the kiddos I work with in 4th grade. So I'm going to go over the directions for you, kind of simplify it. There's 5 steps. So the first step says I can read it. So you're just going to read the text, do your best, take your time. If you want to time yourself while you're reading it, that'd be great, but you don't have to. You can also have an adult read it to you the first time. In this video, I'll actually read the story to you guys, and then you can pause it, read it yourself. This is just to really get practice with your reading. But first, we'll go over the other steps. So step 2, you're going to read the text again, which don't worry about actually. So I'm going to read it, then you're going to read it, then you're going to go to step 2. You're going to draw a line to match each word to the correct picture and meaning. So connect the word to the picture, and then draw another line to the meaning of that word. Just check your comprehension. Step 3, you're going to read the text again, on your own this time. You're going to draw a detailed picture of what you read. So it could be anything, but what does the text mean to you? I just want you to draw it out. So another way just to express yourself and express what you know. Step 4 says I can write about it. So you're going to read the text again. How are some ocean plants different from land plants? Use evidence from the text to help you. So I want you to restate when you answer these. So go through and restate the question, and then explain to me how some ocean plants are different from land plants. And step 5 is true or false. All you gotta do is write a T or an F on the line next to the sentence. And when you do that, you don't need to reread it again after this part. You can do it right after you read about it. But you can also look back if you need to. But just put a T or F. I know that's a lot of reading to do, but I think it's important that we keep practicing our reading. It's the only way we get better. So I'm going to go ahead and read it now, and then you're going to read it after I read it to you. Text is under the sea. Much of Earth's surface is covered by oceans. Earth has 5 oceans. They are the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, and Arctic, and Southern Oceans. The temperature of the ocean waters can be warm or cold, depending on how close they are to the equator. Many living plants and animals can be found in Earth's oceans, including coral, whales, and crabs. Unlike land plants, some ocean plants, like seaweed, do not have roots. They latch onto rocks and grow. Alright, so now I want you to go back, reread this, do step 2, reread it again, do step 3, reread it, do step 4 and 5. Alright, thanks guys.